Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a photo edit in the style of Serge Mendjisky. So, file open, you need to open an image that's of a skyline or a landscape, of buildings, architecture. It's up to you. You should have taken photos beforehand so you know what you're shooting. So you open it up here, you can see I've got an image of the skyline here with buildings in. You can then go to image, adjustments, brightness and contrast. Change the brightness and contrast as you need to for your image. Okay, you can crop it if you need to, that's up to you. Once you're happy with that, you need to go to the second tool down, the rectangular marquee tool. I'd start from the left because we're going to work our way all the way over from left to right, okay? So start from that left and just pick out a rectangular selection. You don't have to go all the way down. Then what you do is right click, layer via copy. Okay, and you can see here in the layers palette you've got a little slice of what you cut out earlier. You then go to the move tool and you move your little segment just ever so slightly. You can move it up or down. Try and keep as close to it as possible because that's what he does, it's sort of just jagged. Once you're happy, you can right click, flatten image, and now it's all on one layer for you to start again. So again, rectangular marquee tool. You can then come over a little bit. I'm going to sort of go over the rectangle I picked before as well, cut out. So it's just there. Right click, layer via copy, move tool. Again, I'm just going to move this one maybe a little bit further down than in the other one. Once you're happy, go back to your layers palette, right click, flatten image, and you basically keep repeating that until you get all the way across. You can do smaller sections if you just want this bottom half, that's fine. You can do thinner sections and work your way across. So right click, layer via copy, and you can see it's starting to create that sort of fragmented, jagged effect across the image. Once happy, flatten image. You can take out sections of the sky as well, because his sky is quite different shades. And you can see here it's starting to be sort of a darker shade. So you can move it where you want it. Okay, if you have a different image, you can add that to it as well. So take sections from another image that's similar, but you can just stick with the one, it's fine, as long as you sort of create that jagged type effect the whole way across. You can also as well rotate it, so turn it upside down. So if you want to just take the river section, right click, layer via copy, move tool. You can press Control T and then sort of move it upside down if you want to. Press enter when you're happy. So move your way from left all the way to right until it's finished. Obviously the more sections you do, it could be quite time consuming, but the better it will look. So just keep taking sections from the whole way across, move your way along, place them in the foreground, in the background, okay? And then you should be able to create a nice image all the way along. Okay? Have fun!